it gone?
Yeah, Mommy can make another fire tomorrow.
Okay, sweetie. Molly, how do you sing the Rainbow Connection?
The rainbow connection, the love voice, the dreamers, and me.
Hooray! What are you doing with your bag? Are you going shopping?
Yeah, the baby excited.
Benji, where are you?
Right here.
Come here, Superman!
Can I watch Nick Jr. on the man down here?
No, it's going to be night-night soon.
No. Can I watch Nick Jr. upstairs?
We'll see.